How to edit top bar on Google Sites. So to edit the navigation bar or the top bar in your Google Sites, which is in my case, it is found on the upper right corner of my site, all you have to do is go to Pages, and you will see that these pages corresponds to the pages found on your navigation bar. To edit this, just click these three dots or the ellipsis icon and select Properties. Now you can edit the name of that page. Now once you're done, just click Done to save. So just do the same to the rest. You can also delete pages from your navigation bar. So just click these three dots and select Delete. Or if you want to add a new page, just click this plus icon and select New Page. And then create a name for that page. And then click Done. So you can also change the order of the pages. So all you have to do is drag the page and you will see that blue line. So now this page is in between 1 and 2. You can also use the other tools provided to customize your navigation bar, such as duplicate page, add subpage, hide from navigation, and make homepage. And so that is how you edit top bar on Google Sites. Thank you and have a great day.